Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Trading Line. So today I'm going to explain you the trade which I have taken in Nifty and how come I able to make profit out of it. And so you guys know very well that today is the expiry. So today is actually a very great expiry. So you can see a huge short covering has happened after 1 o'clock. So it's quite easy to manage when the market is going in one side. So on the expiry, I used to do option selling. So most of the day I used shifted to intraday option selling, and moreover, for the last couple of weeks, the market is too volatile. So I don't want to take that risk of keeping overnight position. So that's why I used to do intraday uh, in option selling. So it's working quite good. So let's see what happened in today's market. So due to negative sentiment, we open gap up, gap down. I think around 80 points. So once the market open gap down, here you can see a clear fall in the market. But I know very well that 18,000 will act as a strong support, so that's why I don't want to take any trade for the first 15 minutes. I think I have entered in the market after at this candle, at the fourth candle. So after the 15 minutes, when I just started to enter the candle. So in experiment, what I will do is I usually do strangles. Short strangle. So what I did is I sold 18,100 call option and downside I sold 17,950 call option. So both were trading at around 19 rupees. So this was trading around 19 rupees and this also trading around 19 rupees. So there is no, I haven't, so since it is in the same price and so I usually don't sell options like that because today I haven't seen any pattern here. So in case what I will do is in case if some resistance is nearby, I used to sell the nearby call option. So if support is nearby, I know very well that the market is going to reverse from there. I used to sell near to the nearer strike price of the put option, but today I don't want to take that much of risk since there is no good news about the market and there is more volatility. So what I did is I just did a 100-point strangle. So I can able to collect around 2020 premium from both the sides and that was quite good until this happened. So what happened is there's a huge consolidation here in this zone. So this is just a simple tip. What you guys can do is maybe you guys can consider the first 1 hour of the market. I mean, the expiry is happening. So mark the day high and day low based on your 1 hour 1 hour candle formation. So if you mark like that, so the day high is then day low is this. So what I did is until this consolidation is happening, I haven't done any adjustment or I haven't do anything. So we are usually take the trade based on the price action, right? So what happened is once this day high is broken by this candle, maybe I will just zoom in. So once this day high is broken, so I usually whenever I'm doing option selling, I used to have stop loss on both the sides. See, since it is expiry, my stop loss was very huge. So on the expiry, I used to keep 50% stop loss. Even though I'm doing strangles, it never hit in case if it is a sideways, but if it is trending, obviously one side is going to hit. So since we know price action very well, I don't want to take that risk. So once this breakout happened, I just closed all my call options. So what I will do is on the expiry, I won't you know sell in the same place. Like somebody if in case if you are going to trade 10 lot, I'm not going to sell all the 10 lots in one strike like 18,100. What I will do is I will sell 18,100, 18,150, 18,200 based on the premium. I will just separate the quantities. Okay, so that I can able to actively manage my positions. So today what happened is once this breakout has happened, because it's a very huge consolidations. So after this type of huge consolidation, if some breakout is giving you a firm breakout, then I'm very sure that the market is going to trend. Okay, even in the past, the same thing used to happen. So you can see a lot of the expiry, the market used to consolidate for a long time, and there will be some breakout. So once that breakout has happened, the market is going to trend. So that's for sure. But what I did is what I suspect is whether the market will take any resistance here because it's a strong close yesterday, right? So I thought market will take some resistance here, but that didn't happen. So what I did is, after this, for the safer side, after this breakout, I closed all my call options and I moved my put options from 17,950 to 18,000, and I was waiting for the market to get reversed by this point, but I didn't reverse, right? So after this consolidation, even I thought of moving my put options to here 18,050, but I didn't do that because I was afraid, because in case the market get reversed, then all the profit what I have made from the morning will wipe out. So that's why I was waiting for the market. So once this breakout happened, what I did is I just moved all my put option to this one 18,050, and then I sold some call option in 18,200. So at that time, this was trading around 10 rupees, and 18,200 was trading around 5 rupees. So if you see, the collectivity is coming around 15 rupees premium. So it's a quite good premium. It's around 1%. You can make around 1% within 1 or 2 hours. So that's why I just sold it. And after this breakout happened, after this 18,100 breakout happened, what I did is I just waiting for the market to consolidate for at least 15 minutes. So those consolidation happened here. So in this candle, the 18,200 premium just shoot up to, I think, from 5 rupees to 7 to 8 rupees. And then after this red candle, it again came to 4 to 5 rupees. So I just closed 18,200, and I just moved all my put option from here to 18,100. And after this breakout happened, so this resistance is previous day high is here, right? So once this breakout happened, what I did is I just moved all my put option to 18,150. So that finally, to summarize today's trade, what happened is, so based on the price action, I have taken the triangles, and then once the breakout, so that's a huge consolidation. Once the breakout happened, I closed all my call options, and after further breakout happened based on the price action, so we have drawn all these resistance, right? So once based on the resistance breakout, I just moved all my put option further up so that I can able to make good profit. Usually it will be very difficult when the market is going zigzag. So in case if the market is moving in V shape or this M shape, W shape, in those time it will be very difficult to manage your position. But today it's just went in one trend, right? So that's why I just moved all my put options based on. So whenever you're doing that type of adjustment, just keep some buffer. Okay, don't go, like, in case if the market is trading around 18,150 here, I never move my put option to 18,150 itself. I don't sell 18,150 put option, because it will be difficult, because from there, if the market is going to reverse, then you're going to lose all the profit which I have made in this consolidation. So it will be very good to have some risk reward when you are doing the trading. So usually if you are trading in Nifty, always sell 50 points above or below the strike of above or below the spot price. If it is Bank Nifty, maybe you can consider 200 points, 200 points, because in Bank Nifty is more volatile. I suggest you to sell 200 points from the spot, in case if you are going to capture the trade. Okay, so that will be very helpful to collect the premium. Since it is expired, I don't want to go with option buying. So, but some people will do hero or zero trade. In case if someone has done that today, they could have made a good profit. So maybe around 100, 200% you guys will get. But it is very you know very easy when your capital is very low. But when your capital is very high, you can't take that much of risk. Okay, so whenever you're going to enter into some trade, first thing you have to consider is, what is my risk for this trade? Okay, if your risk is good, if your risk reward ratio is very good, then in long run definitely you are going to be in profit. So just keep that in mind. So even if you are doing option buying or option selling, that doesn't matter. Okay, the main thing is you have to keep your risk reward in your control. So that's this is my Zerodha account. So I'm showing it in Sensible. So in this account, I can able to make around 17K, and then this is another broker, M Stocks. So in this, I have made around 12K. So totally, I think around 1,000 will go in the charges. So today profit is around 28K. Thanks for watching the video. Keep supporting us.